guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm up in the mountains. It's freezing here but beautiful, and it's really cold, and I thought I'm gonna make some delicious easy comfort food, Monte Cristo sandwiches. So it's a really easy fun recipe, and I thought I'd show you how to make it. So let's get going into the kitchen and I'll show you how. It is icy cold, sun is shining, but they are expecting snow. So I thought this will be the perfect comfort food, so let's go back into the kitchen. And if you want to see any more of our experience here in the mountains, please check out our vlog channel, Our World TV. Link is in the description box down below. So let's get started. For this delicious Monte Cristo sandwich, we're going to start off with 3 slices of bread. Now we're going to use some ultra creamy mayonnaise, but you can use any mayonnaise you enjoy. So put a generous amount on each slice. We're going to put on our ham. It's quite large, so I'm just folding it over. Traditionally, Monte Cristo sandwich is made with turkey or ham, but today we're using ham. Now you're going to use some grated cheddar cheese or any cheese you like. Today we're using cheddar. It's a bit of a pungent cheddar, so it's going to be quite tasty, but just use the cheese that you enjoy on your Monte Cristo sandwich. Now we are going to assemble our sandwich. We're just going to layer it on top of each other and carefully flip this over. There we go. Now we move on to the next step. Okay, so we're just going to press this down because we are going to be frying this in a minute. I've actually made 2 sandwiches, one for me and one for James, and for you to enjoy as well. So just keep pressing your sandwich down, put a bit of pressure on it. We're going to move on to the next step. Next, you're going to get yourself a frying pan and turn your stove on to medium heat. And then you're going to just throw in some butter into your frying pan. Put as much butter as you'd like because you're going to be frying your sandwich. While that's melting, let's go quickly on to the next step. In a separate bowl, you're going to throw in 3 eggs. And then you're going to throw in a dash of milk, as if you're making French toast. And just give that a mix. Take your Monte Cristo sandwich, fancy way of making grilled cheese, guys. We are up in the mountains, as I told you, and we thought, what a fun, easy recipe to share with you. It's really good, guys. So you just soak your bread into the egg mixture, get it nice and in there. Use your hands, don't be afraid. It's all part of the fun of making this delicious sandwich. If you want to know the history on Monte Cristo sandwiches, I will give you a little brief description towards the end of the video. While that's soaking up, let's check on our pan. And it's ready to go in. Now we're just frying it up as if you're making a grilled cheese. I'm going to flip that. You can keep pressing it down. You can flip that over. Oh, look at that, guys. When it's nice and toasty and looking like a grilled cheese sandwich, you can take it off your frying pan and plate it up. Look at that, guys, so delicious. Our Monte Cristo sandwich is ready, and now you can eat it and enjoy. We're just going to cut this diagonally. And there we go, guys, and a lovely twist to a grilled cheese or French toast. Try a Monte Cristo sandwich, you won't be sorry, it's really good. And I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, please leave me a comment down below. Follow me on social media, and I'm on Instagram now, so follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and please subscribe. So we're going to dig into these delicious Monte Cristo sandwiches, and I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment below, follow us on social media. We are on Instagram now, so follow us on Instagram, Twitter, all the social medias. And if you can, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below, make a suggestion what you'd like to see, any videos, any easy recipes you'd like to see. Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye, guys. Mwah.